In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate the audio from the video in your clips, allowing you more flexibility in editing your projects. We're going to guide you through these steps using a timeline-based video editing software, which is common in most editing applications. Let's dive right into it and get started. First, you need to place your clip onto the timeline. This means you need to import your video into the editing software and drag it onto the area where edits are made, the timeline. This is a crucial part of any video editing process and places your material in a spot where adjustments can be easily made. Now that your clip is sitting on the timeline, move on to right-clicking it. This action will open a menu with various options. Among those, you'll find one called Unlink. Selecting Unlink magically separates your audio track from your video track. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, which can speed up your editing process, press Ctrl+L if you're working on a Windows computer or Cmd+L on a Mac. This quick shortcut achieves the same unlinking magic without any need for a mouse. After unlinking, you'll notice you can now select the video portion or the audio portion independently. This means you're free to move, delete, or trim them without affecting the other. If you, for example, only want to adjust the audio while leaving the video intact, you can do so seamlessly now that they are no longer joined at the hip. This degree of freedom in editing opens up a host of creative possibilities, allowing you to fine-tune each aspect of your content individually. But what if you want to make a split in the audio without affecting the video? In this case, although they're unlinked, you can keep them in sync while making selective edits. To achieve that precise split, use the Razor tool. The Razor tool is essential for creating cuts directly on your tracks at your designated points. Access this tool by pressing C on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can use another handy keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+K for Windows users or Cmd+K if you're on a Mac. This will slice your track right at the playhead's current position, providing exactly the spot you need to make edits from. So, to summarize, we began with placing the clip on the timeline, went through unlinking the audio from the video, and then empowered you with the tools needed to make exact splits. Remember, using shortcuts and familiarizing yourself with tools like the Razor can make your editing process much smoother and more efficient. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to harness even greater control over your audio and video editing tasks. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!